This is the Norton Nemesis V8, a machine so rare, so extreme that only one was ever built. This isn't just any superbike, it's a 1,500cc, 235 horsepower beast designed to shatter every rule in motorcycle engineering. Conceived in the late 1990s, this motorcycle was designed to push the boundaries of engineering and performance. And they didn't just aim high, they went stratospheric. At the heart of this monster, a 60-degree V8 engine, pumping out 235 horsepower at a screaming 12,000 RPM. That's more power than some race cars. This power plant was intended to deliver unprecedented performance, positioning the Nemesis as a potential leader in the superbike segment. However, despite its groundbreaking design, only one pre-production unit was ever built, making it a true unicorn in the motorcycle world. But here's where things get really crazy. This bike was loaded with engineering quirks. It had 3 spark plugs per cylinder, totaling a mind-blowing 24 spark plugs. Fast forward to recent years, and the Nemesis has been brought back into the spotlight thanks to the efforts of British engineer and motorcycle builder, Allen Millyard. Commissioned by the National Motorcycle Museum in Birmingham, Millyard undertook the meticulous task of restoring this one-of-a-kind machine. His expertise and dedication have been crucial in reviving the Nemesis, allowing enthusiasts to witness its engineering marvels firsthand. The restoration journey of the Nemesis V8 has been anything but straightforward. Given its unique design, even routine maintenance tasks presented significant challenges. For instance, removing the front wheel required disassembling the entire front end, a process far more complex than that of standard motorcycles. This intricate design underscores the Nemesis's status as a prototype, reflecting both its innovative approach and the practical challenges that accompanied it. A pivotal milestone in the restoration was the successful ignition of the Nemesis's V8 engine. After meticulous preparation, Millyard managed to fire up the engine on the bench, bringing the beast back to life after years of dormancy. This achievement not only marked a significant step in the restoration but also reignited interest and excitement among motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide. The Norton Nemesis V8 remains a symbol of what could have been. A bold experiment in motorcycle engineering that, for various reasons, never reached mass production. Its story is a blend of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of pushing technological boundaries. Today, thanks to restoration efforts, the Nemesis offers a tangible link to a daring chapter in motorcycle history, inspiring both admiration and curiosity about the possibilities of motorcycle design. For a deeper dive into the restoration process and to witness the Nemesis V8's engine roar back to life, check out Allen Millyard's detailed videos documenting his work on this extraordinary machine.